Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 77 blue color body and silver color cap fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a blue color body and silver color cap which has a silver color clip and breather hole in this cap which prevents the ink from clogging and maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or rub ink through the nibs. And the brand's name Wality's stamping on the body of this pen. And let me open this. This is a semi-hooded nib which has a number 0 nib, medium tip gold plated one, and you can swap with any other number 0 nib. And especially in can write, we are having in fine, medium, and again with gold dual tone, gold and silver plated nibs. So the choice is yours, and for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here with this space you can find that it is a piston type ink filling system. Every piston type filling pens will come with windows like this, a short windows or a little bigger windows. To fill the ink in this, you have to unscrew this, means you have to do this in the anti-clockwise direction and dip in the ink and turn this back to the clockwise direction. So after you're closing this, the ink will be filled up this portion and a very good quantity of ink will be there. And you must not try to open this portion. This will collapse the full mechanism of piston. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the ink pen for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, you can remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And let me give the measurement of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.6 mm and the body's diameter is 11.2 mm. And the length of this pen without cap is 124.8 mm. And with cap it is 138.7 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using a pouches and all, the same shininess, same aesthetic will last forever. And for pouches you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches and all. And also we can do engraving on the pouches too. While you are placing the order, you can mention in the order itself. And the entire weight of this pen is 16 grams. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down so it will create some space in between the tines. So we'll get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And let me give the writing sample of this with our Penhouse violet color ink. A very good smooth writing. Very good writing it is. These are the very good work horse pen for regular use. And If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.